Hello and welcome to the tutorial for completing your pre-entry health requirements. You will not be able to complete this step until you have your EID and password. As a new student at JMU, you are required by Virginia law to submit specific information about immunizations and complete a TB screening form. The University Health Center also has an interface with the Virginia Immunization System. While some immunizations received in Virginia may appear automatically, all students should upload their full immunization records. For students starting fall semester, health requirements are due by July 6th. For students starting spring semester, health requirements are due by January 5th. It is mandatory that you complete the following steps before attending classes. Step 1. Log onto MyJMU Chart. Once you've logged onto MyJMU Chart, click Get Started under the Health Center heading. Next, click Get Started under the heading Nurse/Allergy Clinic and Health Info for New Students. Go to the Immunization option along the left toolbar. If your overall status is compliant, your immunization record is complete. If your status is not compliant or no data, follow the instructions on the immunization page. If you are requested to submit immunization documentation, go to the Uploads option along the left toolbar. All uploaded forms must be in PDF format. Scan the immunization documentation, then save as a PDF. The Health Center will accept any official immunization or vaccination record, such as from a school or doctor's office. Upload the PDF documents into MyJMU Chart. Next, go to the Forms option along the left toolbar. Find the heading All New Students and complete the form titled TB Assessment for New Students. Next, go to the Insurance option along the left toolbar and enter your insurance information. In the policy number space, enter the policy ID number. The group number is not required. Upload a photo of your insurance card, front and back. Enter policyholder information. This should be the carrier of the insurance and the name that appears on the card. Step 2. Continue checking your JMU email and secure messages on MyJMU Chart for confirmation that your record has been verified and is complete. Pre-entry health requirements are not complete until you receive email confirmation. Again, all of these steps are a requirement for attendance at JMU, and you are not considered compliant until the JMU Health Center staff member has verified the information. You will receive email confirmation or further instructions in a secure message accessed through your MyJMU Chart account. Please check your JMU email for communication from the JMU Health Center. Failure to complete these steps will result in a non-refundable fine. You will be prohibited from making additions or changes to your class schedule and will not be allowed to register for any classes in future semesters until you are compliant with the health requirements.